हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम रमन शर्मा और आज मैं लेने वाला हूं आईएलटीएस स्पीकिंग टेस्ट 1 मतलब टास्क 1। आज मेरे साथ मेरी स्टूडेंट नेम्ड आंचल वर्मा और मैं उससे कुछ रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा इंट्रोडक्टरी पैटर्न। जैसे कि आप जानते हैं आईएलटीएस स्पीकिंग में इंट्रोडक्टरी पैटर्न के 2 बैंड स्कोर होते हैं और ये बहुत ही वैल्यूएबल होते हैं और मैं ट्राई करूंगा डिफरेंट डिफरेंट काइंड के क्वेश्चन इससे पूछूं और एट द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो मैं आपको सजेस्ट करूंगा कि क्या सही था, क्या गलत था, आपको क्या करना चाहिए, डूज क्या होने चाहिए, डॉट्स क्या होने चाहिए, कैसे आप अपने स्कोर को बूस्ट कर सकते हो। तो डेफिनेटली टास्क 1 होता है वो 2 बैंड स्कोर का होता है और टाइम को वेस्ट नहीं करते और आइए देखते हैं कि स्पीकिंग में क्या होता है। सो दैट्स ओके। गुड मॉर्निंग।
Good morning, sir.
हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Anchal Verma.
You are Anchal. Basically, from where are you?
Basically, I'm from Patara, which is a very small and a beautiful town under Patiala, Punjab district.
Sounds good. May I see your ID, please?
Yes, sure, sir.
Thank you. That's double A. Anchal. That's okay. Anchal, I'm going to conduct your speaking task 1 and I hope that you would definitely give your best or kindly speak very loudly so our audience is waiting for the reviews. So do not be hesitate, give your best. There is no cramp in the speaking. So let's talk about your hometown. My first question related to your hometown. I'll ask various questions from you. I hope it would be a great time. So describe your hometown. Kindly please speak loudly.
Well, as I said earlier, my hometown is Patara. I'm basically born here. It is a very small town situated in the Patiala, Punjab. It is basically in my hometown. All the facilities are very good. Moreover, we'll talk about the drainage system that is also very good. But the basic problem is related to the pollution. Due to the traffic, there is a lot of pollution in my hometown. That is the basic drawback in my hometown.
Okay. Can you please let me know what thing do you want to change in your hometown?
Well, as I said, due to the pollution, there is a lot of problems faced by the people. So the basic thing I just wanted to change is the traffic rules that should be maintained so that the pollution should be under control.
Okay, let me know about do you celebrate your birthday?
Obviously, everyone loves to celebrate their birthday the same way I usually love to celebrate my birthday with my family, with my friends. I usually love to celebrate it in Chandigarh because that is my dream place where I just wanted to live in future.
Sounds better. Let me know about do you go to gym or not?
Well, every person has their own perspective. If I'll talk about myself, I'm a very fitness freak person. So definitely I just prefer gym. Whenever I got time in my daily schedule, I usually go gym in the evening time.
Okay. What do you do in your evening? Means what's the routine of your evening?
Well, it's depend upon the kind of schedule that I'm having. If it's a hectic schedule, then definitely I'll do the work which I'm having. But if it's I'm free, then definitely I'll try to play outdoor games because it keeps the person physically fit and mentally stress relief.
Do you love to go out with your friends?
Well, it's depend upon the time of my schedule. Usually on weekends, I prefer to go with my friends, watching movies, and usually do shopping.
Okay. Are you shopaholic person?
Yes, I'm a shopaholic person.
Okay. What was your childhood?
Well, every person has their own childhood memories. It is a very best part of our life, if I say. So, my childhood was very good, and I usually remember my childhood because in that time, no tensions, and childs are very free. They can play wherever, whatever they want to play. They have no stress, studies tension, or no any future goals tension. So, I think childhood is the best memory of our life.
According to your perspective, what is happiness?
Well, happiness is, I think, satisfaction. If the person have satisfied according in their life, definitely the person will be happy. Happiness doesn't depend upon the money, I can say. It's only depend upon the satisfaction of the life.
What color do you like and why?
If we talk about color, color is part of our nature. In our nature, there are variety of colors. It's depend upon the person to person. I usually prefer all the colors, but basically, whenever I have to go somewhere, I usually prefer white color mostly because it is a peace symbol of peace and it is a very soothing color.
Sounds better. What kind of the weather do you love?
Usually, I just love winter weather because in summer, due to the sweating, that's the reason that I don't love it. So in winter, we can the clothes that we wear that is a very bright color. So I love bright color. So that's why I love winter.
What kind of the music do you like?
In our music industry, there are a variety of music. We can say pop music, sad music. It's depend upon my mood. When I'm happy, then definitely I just love to listen rock songs or pop songs. Or when my mood is off, then I usually prefer slow music.
Describe a person whom you inspire, means whom do you follow?
Well, every person has their own role model. Well, if I talk about myself, my role model is my dad. I usually follow him. He usually guide me for my bright future. He's a role model in my life.
A neighbor you dislike?
Well, every person has their own neighbor, but to be very honest, I don't dislike any kind of person. It's depend upon the nature, but if I don't like anybody, then I prefer to stay space from them, but I don't dislike anyone.
Okay. Do you have any pet?
Honestly, if I say I don't have any pet, but if I get chance in my future, then I definitely not miss the boat. I will definitely have that pet in my life.
Any of the pet you like, means animal you like?
Well, there are many animals that exist in our nature, but the best pet which I like is dog because dog is a very nice pet animal and it is a very honest and the loyal, as we said, it is very loyal animal.
Okay, sounds good. What kind of the sports do you love to watch on television?
Well, mostly as I said, I just love outdoor games, but the sport which I just wanted to watch in TV that is cricket. I just love cricket. Once in my time, I just watch cricket live in stadium that is in Chandigarh. So after that, I just love to watch cricket. I usually follow the cricket players. Virat Kohli is my favorite player in cricket.
Describe a car you love.
If we'll say car, India is a very developed country. If we talk about the there are variety of cars, but the car which I just love the most that is BMW. That because that has a very good technology. It is very high in technology, and the colors of that car is very good. So I just love that BMW.
Do you love to wear jewelry?
Well, it's depend upon my mood. If I have to go on occasion, then definitely I just prefer to wear jewelry. But if it's a casual day, then definitely I'll not prefer it.
Okay. So everyone, I asked various kinds of the question from her. मतलब कोई भी टॉपिक नहीं मैंने छोड़ा जो जो मैंने पूछना था. आई आस्क्ड, कभी मैंने डॉग्स के बारे में पूछा, कभी मैंने शॉपिंग के बारे में, कलर्स के बारे में, मतलब डिफरेंट काइंड्स के क्वेश्चन मैंने जो बच्चे से पूछे थे. गोइंग आउट, चाइल्डहुड, हैप्पीनेस. और ध्यान में रखिए और ध्यान से सुनिए, सभी क्वेश्चंस को आंचल ने रीफ्रेज करके बताया. मतलब ऐसे नहीं है किसी ने बोला कि डू यू हैव पेट, नो आई डोंट हैव पेट, तो उसके बैंड स्कोर नहीं आते. बैंड स्कोर लाने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ता है, किसी भी आंसर को हमने एक्सप्रेस करना पड़ता है. जैसे उसका जर्नल बताना होता है, उसका बैकग्राउंड बताना होता है. जैसे मैंने पूछा था डू यू लाइक सिंगर, तो और डू यू लाइक एनी म्यूजिक, तो इसने ये नहीं बोला यस आई लाइक म्यूजिक, नो आई डू नॉट लाइक म्यूजिक. मतलब म्यूजिक को हम डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं, वेरियस काइंड्स का म्यूजिक है, सोल को पीस देता है. मेरे को बहुत तरह के म्यूजिक अच्छे लगते हैं, बट मोस्टली लाइक दैट म्यूजिक. तो दिस इज अ वे टू गिव आंसर. हाँ, एक दो जगह पे मिस्टेक थी, लाइक बच्चे ने बोला था डैड. डैड इज अ शॉर्ट फॉर्म, वी कैन नॉट यूज इन अ स्पीकिंग मॉड्यूल, दैट्स फाइन. और डॉग को ऑनेस्ट बोला था, डॉग कभी ऑनेस्ट नहीं होता, डॉग फेथफुल होता है. डॉग ईमानदार थोड़ी, दूसरा है वो फेथफुल है. बाकी बहुत अच्छा था. स्पीकिंग में मैटर करता है आपकी फ्लुएंसी. फ्लुएंसी अच्छी थी, एक्सेंट अच्छा था, अंडरस्टैंड हो रहा था, ग्रामर में कोई डाउट नहीं था, और वोकैबुलरी बहुत अच्छी थी. और इन्हीं चीजों से एग्जामिनर बैंड स्कोर देता है. आपको कैसा लगा आंचल का ये छोटा सा एक वीडियो और इंटरव्यू, आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइए, और आई डेफिनेटली वेट फॉर द रिव्यू. थैंक यू सो मच, लव यू एवरीवन, स्टे ब्लेस्ड. रमन शर्मा.